welcome back everybody. This is during OmegaCo with Yuttho, and here I have finished transferring all the materials and resources over to the archaeology, and I just have to get enough workers to have it constructed. But I'm not going to worry about that just yet because this city's not even done building yet. Aesthetically, I want to finish it up, so I'm just going to destroy this mega tower, all this stuff that that supported the archaeology development. Okay, so first I want to name this city, I was thinking about it, let's name it Port of Tamarina. Tamarin Island. Tamarina. So I think that's a nice name for a port. Even though this is, I don't think there's not enough space for a port, but I think it's a nice name for some kind of nuclear facility right here. Or maybe we could pull it Tamarina nuclear power plant. Nope. Actually, that's not right. Let's just name it Tamarina. Tamarina. Whoops. Tamarina. Because I don't think, I would love to have this as the port of Tamarina, but this is not going to be really a port because it's not enough space. If you could have this area right here used for something, but obviously we cannot. So let's see where we can start off. Oh yeah, in the last episode I just now discovered about using these sewage outflow pipes to make the ground black, and I was thinking about, let's put this around the retention ponds. That would look really cool. So I was thinking of putting it right here. So there we go, that looks really nice. So we have something going into this pond right here, and I guess why not have it here too? Let's put 2 roads here. Actually, I don't even know if that's even possible. Roads overlap. That looks nice. Alright. So now we got these. Is that the sound that they're making? Oh. Yeah. I want to delete this. And after looking at this quite a lot, I don't think this highway would be here. Would be plausible here or look good here, because it's kind of, this is supposed to be kind of like a port area for whatever, and having this bridge here is kind of disturb the look of it. So I'm going to destroy this outflow pipe as well, and this road, I'm going to displace it somewhere else. I don't know where yet. We're just trying to get everything going. Okay, now we got a clearer view of this whole thing here, and we don't have that highway taking up that space. So let's see. I want to put some more of these things. I wonder if I know this is not, that's for the academy. I don't know where I would put this. I guess we'll just put it right there. Okay, let's get started on those railroad tracks, because we're kind of losing some space here, so let's just work on the train tracks. Alright, so where will we have these train tracks? I think a nice place to have it would be, use this as measurement. And, oh, there we go. I want this to be go next to this little, I guess you could say harbor area. It's not going to be exactly a harbor. I want this to be kind of uranium-looking type of deposit. So, and I want to use a landfill for this type of application. Let's see if we can make it happen. Make it look like it's something. Whoops. always these little corners. I'm just gonna have to deal with that. Or maybe I can just delete this. Kind of like these roads like going off in like different directions, but I want to make it compact. Dang, I have to remove this. It's just not long enough. Alright. So let's do it this way. You know, having it this way is fine. Heard some kind of weird sound. I don't know what that was. What was that? Was that the ecology? How do I have 300 people? And it's building. That is crazy. Maybe because it's sandbox mode. Who knows? Too bad I can't elevate this stuff up. But I think this is good. And we'll have like some kind of... make this look like it's a cooling tower. Let's see. You can only put this in a few places. We'll find that out later. Let's just get this train track going. And I want to make this kind of sunken a little bit so we can get some depth. I don't think, yeah, I cannot raise it up because it'll just make a bridge automatically. Oops. So let's sink it. There we go. Remove this road. That's not gonna work. Let's see how this is gonna. Let's just use this as a guideline. So I've asked a question recently on my fan page, and I try to ask like people, it's like, how do people see the capital of OmegaCo? Even though the capital is not going to be featured in this particular series, it's going to be, you know, this is an expeditionary operation to mine some resources. But what would the capital of the OmegaCo would look like? And in your opinion, how would you see it? You know, what would make it so majestic? I like to like look at like other ideas of future cities, like Coruscant of Star Wars. You know, we have all these type of whoops. Yeah, all these type of sci-fi movies doing this stuff. Interpretation of doing like future cities. See if I could make this. I'm gonna use the draw tool. Whoa. There we go. I'm gonna try to make this like go to connect to this side. I'm gonna have to delete this because this is just, I don't know what to do about that stuff with the OmegaCo factory. Since we removed that highway, we can probably like back this up again. We're not having how to do that. Whoa. Yeah, there we go. You know, let's put all these VTOL pads now. I'll probably make another train track over here somehow. I don't know exactly. Probably for like the passenger train station or something. Or maybe I'll make it on this side. Yeah, maybe. Oops. Actually, do we really need that? I don't know. Now we just have to make this area look... Let me see if I could like make this whole thing black. It's going to be like a little bit... Or it's going to take a while to make this. Let's see, we're going to have a meteor strike on the nuclear power plant. And on this. I know this is really ridiculous, you know. I just want to make the ground black, and you know, it's going to take a while if we just do it the sewage way, so I think it'll be faster if we just blow up these nuclear power plants. Wow, that's surprising that survived. Just gonna meteor strike here and then. Okay, there we go. Now we got some radiate. Whoa, look at that. Terrorist attack? Just kidding, not really. That would be horrible. Okay, now we got some radiation going on over here. I know this is pretty bad, but I'm just waiting to see the ground turn black and stuff like that to get the ground pollution or the texture color just right. I mean, we can put these trees. Don't worry, these trees will get rid of it somehow. Okay. Let's see. Now we gotta... I don't know what to do about this train track thing. It's just crazy. It's not like I'm gonna make it... I guess we can make a train yard here. Yeah, we can make a train yard here to fill up this empty space. Then we can have like this go over here. Whoops. Can't have the two. Well, actually, it does work. That's crazy. I never thought it worked. But yeah, let's just have it like that. Actually, let me see. See if we can have them both like. There we go. That's a problem. Now we have it like going in like both directions. This is for this train track here, and we can put like a trade thing here. Probably put like let's see what would look nice here. I think we can just use these oil drums for silos. Too bad like we cannot have like the real type of silo. We have to like use this makeshift stuff. I mean, we could try to spread this out. Let's see if that'll look right. It might not look right. Wait, why did I just delete that? Oh wait, this actually might work. This looks really cool. Wait, am I using the regular trade depot? Yes, I am. Dang it. I'm supposed to use the trading port, not the depot. What am I doing? Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can space this stuff out. Let's see if I can put one right here. Like, really space this stuff out. Oh, shoot. Actually, this is kind of weird. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Because, like, I cannot get it, like, the right formation. And I think this is, like, too far from the main building. Let's see. On top of a road? That's not right. I wonder if I could put one right here on top of a road again. I'm always having this issue. Maybe we can try to back this up. See if it works. No, it's too far anyway. Dang it. Then we run into that issue again with the... Somehow the thing just kind of like expands itself. Try to redo this again. Yeah, I don't know if I can make it, this is like pretty much the only thing I can do. That does not look right at all. Where could I put this thing? Maybe I could put it like over this side. Right here. Nice. Now we have like all these silos going all over the place. We have one more to place, and I'm probably not going to place it anywhere. We could probably put it in the freight thing here. Then, and we can have, this is not really the ideal place to put a port, because, you know, we need some kind of breakwater thing here, and I don't want to put it here. That's why I didn't name this port of Tamarina. But we could have it here for now, and we'll worry about that later. But for now, let's just finish these train things. There we go. Now let's see if I can make like roads going through them. Oh, that is really nice. That is so nice. I always wanted to make like a real looking type of industrial looking city here, and I've tried like a few times, and it's just SimCity does not, you just cannot do what SimCity is like so difficult, because SimCity just doesn't have these things, and hopefully the mods will make it happen. Actually, you think, I'm not sure if I should make it like raised up like that. I'm not sure if it'll look better if I descended it. Let's see if I can descend it. No, I want to descend to that low, where we see the sand. I guess we could have like these roads going up, and the roads going horizontal or whatever direction will be sunken. But I think this looks nice. It's not exactly how I envisioned it, but it works for now. So I want to make another one to make it, because you know how industrial ports are, the things are just so spread out and stuff. Dang, I don't know if there we go. I thought it wasn't going to fit there, but it fits. Now we just have one more spot for one More? I don't know where to put this thing. Why can't I put it on this side? That is so weird. I'm gonna have to destroy this. I'll probably put it like right here. If I could. Then have another seaport thing here and another one of these things. Put the signs up for aesthetics. Nope, shift does not work. Okay, I want to have these. Well, I think that's a little too much. Let's just try it out. That looks really cool. Let's see. Probably gonna raise this one up and raise this one up as well. Actually, that does look kind of crazy looking. It's too steep. I think I'll just leave it like this. Yeah. Okay, that does not look exactly how I wanted it to look, but it looks so weird. Is this even working? No, I don't think so. Dang, it does not look right. It just does not look right. But what else could I use for this to make it look really industrial? I don't think I can. Well, let's just put some parking lots to add some gray and stuff into this. See if I can put. There we go. Oh, can I put it right here? Oh wait, actually there's no road there. Okay, now we have like retention ponds, a giant parking lot, more retention ponds, or retention ponds, not palms, and some landfills that look like uranium or whatever type of source to feed the thing. I don't know what I'm talking about, but some landfills, more landfills, and then we have some pipelines with OmegaCo, and this advanced coal mine to look like it's extracting from like the pile from the landfill or something. And then we have like these silos that hold something inside, probably Omega. That's ready to be exported out because it's been refined. Actually, we should add a refinery. That would be cool. Huh. Yeah, we should add a refinery. If there's even space for that. I don't know if there is. Let's check it out. Let's just use like plastics. Now, does this look industrial or what? I don't know. Maybe that refinery might be in the wrong spot because I kind of want to leave it as a green area. But when is this? When is the ground pollution going to start taking effect? Like, do I need like? Okay, there's radiation everywhere. I think I need like water or something that uses water. Wow, that nuclear blast really like destroyed the water table. That's crazy. Yeah, I think I just blew up a nuclear reactor for no reason. So let's just use these ground scrubbers. just to clean up the mess. I know this is not the academy, but I made a false assumption that I thought, I don't know, it's not even making the ground black. I thought it would. I think I need like buildings with water in it or something, stuff for that to happen. Like this road. Is this thing even on? Is there even power? There's no power, but the thing's on. Or it's not on, it's just producing smoke for some reason. I'm not sure if that is a good spot for the oil refinery. But we will see. Okay, now we gotta find, like, what are we gonna do with these roads? I don't know. I've been so like fixed on like trying to make like all these industrial-looking buildings here, and I think I may have forgotten something. I got oil, got coal. We got Omega, kind of. Maybe we can put some more Omega factories. Who knows? Needs power. Now let's just get some power rolling in. Delete that. Cleaning up my own mess. Radiation level low. And then we can put like some kind of fire station here as well. I totally forgot about that. Maybe we could put it like... Let me see if I can finish like this OmegaCo pipeline. I think that's about it. I think I'm just gonna leave it just like that. Because I don't know what to do with it. Like, it's just like this thing can't really go over hills or stuff like that, so it's kind of like really pointless. Hold on, let me see. I wonder if I can connect this pipe to that pipe. Yeah, I can. Elevate this, and then have like more of this stuff here. And then I'm going to do like the water tower thing again to have that, make it look like it's connected to the water tower. There we go, that looks... It's almost there, but makes it look like it. And I'll probably put another... Actually, nah. Maybe I'll put it like in this direction. Like a bunch of pipes going everywhere. Move these. Make this curved. Move that as well. Now remove this too. Is that thing even cleaning it? What? Yeah, I totally forgot that this was... Oh, of course. Nobody working. Okay, let's get, No space for Omega Tower now. And I cannot zone people. And I think 3 might be a little redundant. Something's in the way. Let's move this. Oh, there we go. I want to elevate this. Or not elevate it, but just like rise it up, get some 3D dimensions to it. And no, not that. Actually, that might be the right thing to do. To add some 3D dimension to this road too. This is like right next to the railroad track, so like why not? Now we gotta find something to do with this road, the highway system. I think we've kind of maxed out this whole... See, now you get the, like, when you try to copy, like, real-life setups of how nuclear facilities go and seaports, like, you just realize how small these plots are, because in real life they kind of, like, spread everything out. You know, they're not, like, scrunched up like we would do on SimCity. So... like, I mean, look at this, we're already out of space, and this is kind of pushing it here. This, I would have put this, like, if this was real life, this would have been, like, a little bit further off, away from the railroad tracks or something. Let's see. There's no more spots for this stuff. Oh, that's cool. What did that look like? That's kind of weird, though, but it's interesting. I wonder if I could put some kind of, no, I cannot. But yeah, I don't like these seaports here, because that's not an ideal place to put it. Like, we would have put it, like, on this side or something, and not here. This would act like a giant, breakwater. And I didn't put this here yet, though. Let's put some more of this stuff. Yep, the radiation cleanup is starting up now. And it needs water, just great. Okay, buildings need water. Oh yeah, that's what I forgot. I gotta put like this stuff in. Maybe I'll just cut down on this. Yeah, I think that's too, like, pushing it too much. You don't need that much oil drums. So let's try to make like a sewage treatment plant for this stuff. Okay. And I think this oil refinery is kind of pushing it too. So I'm gonna put this stuff here. Wait, I just forgot we have to put it like right next to each other, because that's how the water system works in SimCity. Have it right next to each other. I don't want it right next to each other. That's the thing. I wonder if I could, like, space this out. Do the same thing with, like, the oil drums. I'm gonna move this. If this thing would hurry up and destroy itself. That's like one of the most annoying things here in SimCity. Thing is, I want to turn this off because I don't want it like running, and because I want to have the sewage pumps run as well. Let's see if I could make this. Okay, there we go. That looks cool. Okay, that's the site of one type of. Though this concrete thing looks kind of annoying, but it'll just do. Now let's put the real thing here. Let's see. This parking lot's huge. We got too many retention ponds, but I want it that way. This Omega part is just too big. We can kind of use this as like the power lines. These pipelines are kind of like power lines. Well, not in the traditional sense, but we could have. You can use it in like in the future, I guess. I wonder if I could make that like. Can this even go over a building? Oh, well, it's too late anyway because there's like buildings in the way. Let's see. I want to put something here. Oh, look at that land value. Radiation is going away, I guess. Oh yeah, we have to put the colleges in for this to run. Okay, well, it's caught on fire on itself. Are you serious? Let's do the highway system now. Just use this as the highway system because we have no more space, so and we can't put tunnels. That's not right. It's just not straight. It always bothers me. No, I'm not sure what kind of road system I would make here. I think I would make. We don't want to make this. I think we're gonna have to scrunch this up a bit because there's just not enough space for anything. So we have to. Really concentrate on minimal land consumption here. Whoa. Need to have a bridge there. What the heck is with the SimCity system that always does this? Why does it do that? Okay, so we got one connection there. I know it's kind of not where we want it, need to focus on putting this water thing here. I guess we could put some... I wonder if we could put, like, remove the retention ponds and put the sewage treatment plant there instead. You know, let's see, what does this look like from up here? I like the retention ponds there, but we may have to eliminate it because we already have a bunch over here, so yeah. Let's just remove these retention ponds and move the sewage pumps there. Sewage treatment plant. I think this is going to be the real deal. Except I'm going to make another road just for this. Whoa, that is really stupid. The rolling hill effect. It's kind of doing again. I don't know why it does that. It almost did it. Alright. Let's get this started. So let's put this down. How do you want to put it? Like, let's see. I guess I could do it like how I did last time, where maybe I could put it. Let's see if we could put it over here. Oh, I think that road is in the way. Yeah, I think that road's in the way. Dang it. Or maybe we could put like 4 here. That looks cool. Now it's kind of like a seawall type of thing here. Really raise the land. Okay, now we need to... yeah, I want to make this like that. I wonder if I can move this over too. And then we'll put the water thing here. Oh, there's not all water here. It's weird. I would assume that there's water here. I think it's because of the radiation, that's why. But it's good enough. Yeah, I want to space this out too. You know, this might be a really bad way of putting these water pumps if you were to actually play it like this, the game. Because I think, like, because the way the sewage system works in SimCity, I don't think it'll work this way. Having it spread out like that. Okay, there we go. Hey, actually that looks more realistic. That looks more like the oral drum, more than this does. What the heck? Yeah, this looks way more better than this trade port thing. These actually look like silos, but they're blue. That's the only problem. Let's put some more. These people burn down their own houses again. How do you people do this? Well, that's only one thing there, so that's a problem. Let's put the schools down. I'm probably going to expand this highway system later, but we should really put that fire station thing down because that thing's like catching on fire like crazy. Since it's the future, let's just use droids, or not droids, but drones. See if we can destroy some of this and make a drone making facility. How's the radiation doing? Seems to be cleaning it up very well. Just need to clean up this area. And this, obviously. I think that's about it. Kind of. I want to put some more trees. Well, I'm going to put trees right here, but I don't think I'm going to put trees in this area. I want to make it look barren. And this barren too. Now, I don't know, what do you guys think of this? I mean, this looks pretty cool, but maybe SimCity's just not meant for this. Let's see. I don't like that huge cliff though. Well, not cliff, but it's just a huge drop. Maybe we can put like a little hut here to like make it look like it's managing the water, even though people are barbecuing. But I think that'll be a nice addition. Maybe we can put like, I wonder if I can put a road there. I think I can. Yes, wait, actually it does work. Yes. But the problem is, I want to make it elevated. No, I'm losing money. Let's turn this off. Actually, we can't turn it off because then this water will just turn some off. These pumps. We're gonna have to like somehow replenish more water back into this water table. Have to make like a lot of pollution or something. So just make a bunch of industry. We can start doing that now, I guess. But I want to put it in the right spot. I don't want to burn the garbage just yet. I want the garbage to stockpile. And I think the drones will... Yeah, let's put some more industry here. Because I think we have Omega now. We can have this drone Omega process rolling around. It'll create a lot of trash. I don't know what the people do with their drones, but like they just get disposed of so quickly, and you just accumulate on trash so fast. It's like they're crashing them into walls or something. It's cool. But anyway, this thing is stockpiling on oil, and this thing should, I want this to stockpile on oil as well. If only there was coal, that would be cool. Yeah, this thing looks really weird. What's the percent of this? It's 20%. I guess we'll just put like safety level for these sick people. I think the safety level, what does safety level do again? Oh, okay. Wait, this is only for fires and police. Dang, there's no like medi-droids or something? Oh yeah, they're on the hospital itself. Well, let's just put that down. I'm losing money again. Really fast. Oops. That's just temporary. We'll put that thing there later. Maybe I'll put some trees here again. Just some trees. Okay, I think I'm just going to stop here, you guys, because I'm trying to get a better idea of where I'm going to put this stuff, like, you know, with the highway, because we're running out of space here very quickly. I may actually have to, I may like back up this railroad track to push this up over here, so we can save up some space, and these mega towers are going to go, well, this thing is going to be temporary. And we all have these retention ponds, the water stuff here. I think this is good. This is just for looks, oil drums and stuff like that that you see in real life. And here's the OmegaCo stuff, which looks really cool with the pipes. But yeah, that's it for this episode. I'm going to come back with a better idea and really plan this out so we can get out of this utility city and start building stuff in like Jaguar Ridge or something. So I'll see you guys later.